You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? Let's learn once and for all how to pronounce this name correctly in British English, how it's said in the UK, and also how it's pronounced in the US. This is an English surname with some Irish origin too. In British English in the UK, it's often usually pronounced as Peyton. Peyton, alright? Not ton, Peyton, no. Peyton. Now, in the US, it's more commonly pronounced as Peyton. Peyton. Peyton, US pronunciation, or how to pronounce Peyton. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.